Rica! Oh, sick!
Hey guys, hiya. Just in the airport on the way to Costa Rica. Just want to run over the concept so you guys fully understand what we're doing and how you can get involved. So every 2-3 few weeks we'll be asking you guys to suggest new places for us to visit, putting them on the dartboard and letting the dart decide our next destination.
When we get there, our ultimate aim is to create happiness through spontaneous adventure for ourselves and everyone we meet. We want you to decide where we go, what we do, and who we help. And to do this, make sure you follow us on Instagram and keep a lookout for all of our daily stories and all of our polls.
So just on the way to the bus station to go to Jaco. And we've got a new taxi service. Look at him. Bargain. There is an insane amount of rainforest in Costa Rica. Over a quarter of its landmass is protected. They've even managed to reverse deforestation, planting more than is cut down.
The country is almost completely powered by renewable energy, with rivers and volcanoes being the main source of power.
Half of the entire coastline is also protected, keeping the surfers happy. This could be cow shit, I have no idea. Oh my god, that's shit. That's shit.
My hand is in shit.
Oh.
Stop filming.
It is. Well, I pushed the button. Do you know what? I'm just so glad that wasn't me. You may laugh, my friends, you may laugh. I can't walk. This is like jumping on a flip-flop.
Jumanji over here.
You'll never need your hiking boots, they said. Only bring your flip-flops.